Morrocco Method is one of the foremost companies in natural hair care. For over 50 years, Morrocco Method has created products that are raw, wild-crafted, vegan, cruelty-free, chemical-free, GMO-free, gluten-free, and soy-free, based on the principles of the 5 elements: earth, water, fire, air, and ether. You will experience the most comprehensive, natural, and vital hair care method in the world. Morrocco Method offers shampoos that work for normal, oily, and dry hair. They're color safe, good for damaged hair, healthy hair, and those with alopecia. We recommend using all 5 shampoos and rotating them every time you wash your hair. This prevents your hair from becoming immune from the healthy benefits of our shampoos, or one shampoo in particular. Morrocco Method shampoos will not foam or sud. We recommend diluting it half and half with water. The shampoos are highly concentrated, so they will still clean your hair thoroughly when diluted. Although we recommend rotating all 5 shampoos, some people may notice that their hair responds better to one shampoo. In that case, we recommend listening to your hair and how it responds. Morrocco Method's apple cider vinegar shampoo represents the element of fire and aligns with our strengthened hair goal. It has apple cider vinegar, which cleanses the scalp. It also includes essential oils such as flax, cinnamon, ginger, lavender, and sweet orange, which helps to cleanse and clarify your scalp and hair. It's good for all hair types and has antibacterial properties. It increases blood flow and stabilizes pH, which increases the activity of the sebaceous glands to flush out debris, oil buildup, and unhealthy bacteria. It's also our most clarifying shampoo, so it's best to help detox chemical buildup from unnatural products. Morrocco Method's Earth Essence shampoo is based around the element of earth and aligns with our thickened hair goal. It's made up of essential oils, French clays, and botanical proteins that help to rejuvenate and detoxify the hair and scalp. It includes essential oils such as patchouli, ylang ylang, and palmarosa. It's good for normal to oily hair and is extremely cleansing. Morrocco Method's Heavenly Essence shampoo is based around the element of ether and aligns with our beautify hair goal. It's made with a synergistic blend of herbs, botanicals, and marine minerals that dynamically energize, detoxify, and condition the hair and scalp. It's good for all hair types and contains essential oils such as green tea, prickly pear, wintergreen, clary sage, and sweet orange. It's the mildest of our 5-element shampoos and is gentle enough for children as well. Morrocco Method's Pine Shale shampoo is based around the element of air and aligns with our lengthening hair goal. It's made with sulfonated shale oil and rich pine oil essence and is meant to nourish, heal, and restore the scalp. It's good for all hair types and contains ingredients such as aloe juice, sunflower seed oil, orange, nutmeg, and bergamot. It's our most restorative shampoo and is great for dandruff, itchiness, and inflammation. Morrocco Method's Sea Essence shampoo is based around the element of water and aligns with our rootwork hair goal. It contains hemp seed oil, marine plant proteins, and essential oils such as rosemary, clary sage, and vetiver. It's good for normal to dry hair and is the most moisturizing of our shampoos, which makes it great for preventing breakage.